where I'm going now is a culvert. Well, it's not meant for traffic. It's meant for water to go through under the train platform. But we use it to get across to the other side. Cars obviously can't do this, so for them there is a road crossing. Scared my GoPro is gonna hit the top. This is exactly the kind of roads that people ride this moped on, and for that it is perfect. And that too with load, with heavy loads. They ride at 20-30 kilometers an hour, and swish God, they go from point A to point B. I'll be home here. Nobody will look at me funny. I mean, I'll need to lose my helmet with GoPro. But if I just come riding like this way, this is home turf.